Hi students. Now I am taking first BCom, second SEM, elective subject, that is retail management. So it is elective subject, it is retail management. And that first unit, introduction of retail management. So retailer is a person who purchases the goods from the producer or the wholesaler and sell it directly to the ultimate consumers. So marketing involves distribution of goods. In that we already studied about in marketing, we already studied the distribution of goods through the various channels of distribution. That means the goods produced in the place of the producer and it should be reached to the ultimate consumer. So how the product is flow from the place of producer to the consumer? It is through the channels of distribution. Through the channels of distribution. That means from the producer to the wholesaler and from the wholesaler to the retailer and from the retailers to the ultimate consumers. So in this aspect we are studying only about the retailer. So retailer is a person who purchases the product from the wholesaler or sometimes he is purchasing bulk from the producer themselves. ಕೆಲವು ಸಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಅವನು ಬಲ್ಕ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ದ ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್. ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ರಿಟೇಲರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ರಿಟೇಲರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ರಿಟೇಲರ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರಿಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್? So how to manage the retail business or how the retailer manage his business? So it is a process which helps the consumer or the customer to purchase the goods or service. It may be a goods or it may be service which helps the consumer to purchase the goods or service from the retail stores. So the consumer can directly purchase the goods or the services from the retail stores. So ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲಿರುವಂತಹ ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಶಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಆ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ರಿಟೇಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. If you want one definition, so one definition is given by the David Gilbert regarding the retail management. That is, any business that directs its marketing efforts towards the satisfaction of final consumers. So any marketing efforts which is concerned with the satisfaction of consumers, that means satisfaction of the ultimate consumers, based upon the organization of selling goods and services as a means of distribution. Through the means of distribution, the retailer selling the goods to the consumers. So he is satisfying the final consumers by selling the goods. So this is the definition given by David Gilbert. Now we can see what are the functions performed by the retailer. So what are the functions performed by the retailer? So first one is sorting. Sorting we mean retailer purchases large number of goods from the various manufacturers or the wholesalers. Then he collects that goods and he sort out that goods. That means he is dividing that goods to a small quantity, or he can divide the goods as per a quality or a price or by a packaging. So he is dividing that goods which is purchased from a large number of wholesalers or producers. ಸೊ ತುಂಬ ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಒಂದು ರೈಸೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಹಿ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಹೈ, ಬಟ್ ವೈಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಈಸ್ ಸಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಹಿ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ goods into small packages. So that work is done only by the retailer. That means sorting the large quantity of goods into smaller quantity to satisfy the ultimate consumers. So this is regarding the sorting. Then what other functions he is doing? He is buying and assembling the goods. That means he purchasing the goods directly from the producer or from the wholesaler and assembling it. That means he is collecting that various type of product to satisfy the needy customers. Some customers requires quality product at higher price, then some other peoples like the low quality at lower price. So that for that purpose, to satisfy all sectors of the consumer, all sections of the consumers, he buying the product from the various wholesalers or producers and assembling that product in his shop and assembling it and selling their product to the ultimate consumers. So this is the buying and assembling functions of the retailer. Then next function is selling. That means that is the main purpose of or the basic function performed by the retailer is to sell the goods to the ultimate consumers. So with his retail shop, he is directly selling the product to the ultimate consumer. That is selling. Then credit facilities. That means any consumer, if he has a financial problem, then the retailer helps him by giving the product at a credit. So he is providing credit facilities to the consumer to purchase the product. So ಕೆಲವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ಗೆ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮಂತ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಆಗುದಂತ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಒಂದು ತಿಂಗಳ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಮ್ಮೆಲೆ ರಿಟೇಲರ್ಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಒಮ್ಮೆಲೆ ರಿಟೇಲರ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಫೆಸಿಲಿಟಿಯನ್ನು ರಿಟೇಲರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So the main function of the retailer is he is providing credit facilities to the needy consumers. The next one is grading and packing. So he is purchasing the goods in bulk in one pack. So he is dividing that product, grading that one. That is grading the product as per their quality, quantity and price, and pack the product in bottles or packages or jars, anything. So he can properly pack that product and selling to it to the final consumers. So he is grading the product as per their quality, quantity and price. Then each graded product are properly packed for the direct selling the goods to the consumer, for the convenience of carrying to the consumers. Then stocking. That means he is purchasing in bulk. The goods is purchased in bulk by the producer or from the consumer. So he should store that product in his storeroom. So he is performing a function of storing that type of bulk product in his shop or in his godown. Because when the demand is there for his product, then that quantity of product will be moved from the go down to the place of the consumers. So it is stocking the goods, that is stocking the excess goods which are not sold by him. ಅವನ ಎಕ್ಸೆಸ್ ಏನು ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಉಂಟಾ, ಗೂಡ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟಾ, ಅದನ್ನು ಅವನು ಗೋಡೌನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಸ್ಟಮರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾ ಆಗ ಅವನ ಶಾಪಿಗೆ ತಂದು ಅದರಿಂದ ಅವನು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರಿಗೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ he is holding the stock of goods. The next one is he is providing the information to the consumer as well as wholesaler. He is providing the information regarding the use of the product, what type of product is available, then variety of type of product is available by the various producer like that. And he is also informing the wholesaler whether the product demand is there or any defect in the product. Everything information is given by the retailer because he is directly deal with the consumer. So consumer ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತುಂಬ ಟೈಪಿನ ಟೀ ಪೌಡರ್ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಟೀ ಪೌಡರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೈಯರ್ ರೇಟ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ, ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಈ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿದು ಟೀ ಪೌಡರ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿದ್ದು ಬೇಕು, ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿದ್ದು ಬೇಕು, ಇದು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಸಾಧಾರಣ ರೀಸನೇಬಲ್ ರೇಟಿನ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ನ ಟೀ ಪೌಡರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಅವನು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲರ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನೀವು ಈ ಟೈಪಿನ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಿನ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ರೈಸನ್ನು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಟು ದ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲರ್. Then marketing function. We also perform the marketing function, that means sales promotion and advertisement. Some big retailers, they give their advertisement regarding their shops and availability of various products, especially in case of durable product or high quality product like electronic product, fridge, refrigerator and some showrooms. They provide directly marketing, that is advertisement. So they perform the marketing functions like advertising their product of the various producers and the wholesalers, as well as he is acting as a sales promoter. That means he promote the sale of a particular branded product. ಒಂದು ಸೋಪ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸೋಪ್ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೇಲ್ ಪ್ರಮೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. Then he is a connecting link. He acts as a connecting link between the producer and the consumer, or from the wholesaler to the consumer. So he is a connecting link between the producer, wholesaler and the ultimate consumer. Then it is already studied breaking the bulk. So he breaks the bulk large quantity into small quantity to the convenience of the consumer and selling the ultimate product. Then he is also providing, last function is he is providing the additional service. Additional service means after sale service. For example, if he is selling a washing machine, then he is giving a additional service that he transport that product into the door of the consumer and fixing that product. ಒಂದು ವಾಷಿಂಗ್ ಮೆಷಿನ್ ತಕ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಟೇಲರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಅವ್ರೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ತಲುಪಿಸಿ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದು ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಶಾಪಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇಲ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವರ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದು ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಾನಿಕ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದಂತ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. So after sales service he is providing additional services like after sales services, and also he deals with the consumer complaints. If the product is damaged, then he is giving answer to why that goods is receive that complaints and pass that complaints to the wholesaler. If the product is damaged, he pass the same complaints of the consumer with the wholesale or the producer. ಏನಾದರೂ ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಿನ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಒಳಗಡೆದು ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಟೇಲರ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ದ ಎಡಿಷನಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸೇಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೀಲಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.